Hello, hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.1 second problem. In that, four sub problems are there. See the question. Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equation. We have to write the given question in the form of a quadratic equation. Enough. No need to find the solution. In that, see the first problem. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. What they have given area, ma? Area equals to 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. We don't know length and breadth, no? I am taking breadth equals to x. Okay. Why I am taking breadth equals to x? Here, length of the plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Means length is depending on the breadth. So I am taking breadth as x. Now what is the length becomes? See here, 1 more. 1 more means plus. Already I explained this in linear equations, no? 1 more means plus than twice its breadth. Twice means double of its breadth. Means 1 more means plus, twice means multiplication, 2 into its breadth, 2 into x. Did you understand how we got this? We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. See here, area equals to what, ma? Length into breadth, that equals to 528. What is the length here? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into, what is the breadth, ma? X equals to 528. Now multiply with this, 2x into x, 2x square, x into x square, plus 1 into x, x. Send this plus 528 to this side, what it will become? Minus 528. That equals to 0. That's all. Our problem is completed. This is very easy, no? They will give these problems for 1 mark or 2 marks. Here, again in bracket you have to write. Here, since x equals to breadth. Is it okay? Easy, no? Length into breadth equals to 528. Length is 2x plus 1, breadth is x. So cross multiplied. Therefore, we got this quadratic equation. See the second problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. We don't know the integers, no? Let one integer be x. If I take one integer x, the second integer becomes what, ma? Second integer equals to, what they said? Consecutive positive integers. Means if it is x, next is x plus 1. Consecutive positive integers means what, ma? Side by side values. If I take example, one positive integer as 2, next positive integer must be 3. 3 means what? 2 plus 1, no? In the same way, one integer is x means second integer becomes x plus 1. See here what they said. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Now, product means multiplication. X into x plus 1 equals to what, ma? 306. Now solve this, ma. X into x, x square, plus x into 1, x. Send this 306 to this side, minus 306. That equals to 0. That's all. Our problem is completed. See how much easy, no? See the next problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. We don't know the age of Rohan, no? Let the age of Rohan be x. Then what is the Rohan's mother age, ma? Therefore, Rohan's mother age equals to what, ma? See here, Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. Means x plus 26. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. After 3 years. After 3 years. After 3 years means, what is the Rohan's age, ma, now? Rohan's age what? What it will become? X plus 3, no? Again, his mother's age what it will become? X plus 26 plus 3. Why added 3 in here and here? See, we are checking after 3 years. After 3 years means, after 3 years completed means, we must add 3 years, no? So I have added 3 years for both. See here, x plus 26 plus 3, how much ma? 29. After 3 years, what the product of their ages will be? 360. Product of their ages means x plus 3 into x plus 29. Product means multiplication. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. We need to find the Rohan's present age. See here. Here I didn't write x, no? Since x equals to what ma? Integer. Mention this ma? Small integer. Because this is bigger one, no? Plus 1, no? Okay. See here. Again. Now multiply with this. X into x. X square plus 29 into x. 29x plus 3 into x. 3x plus 3 into 29. 29 into 3. Do this. 9 3s are 27. 3 2 6 7 8. 87. Equals to 360. We have to write in the equation form now. See here, x square plus 29 plus 3. 30, 31, 32. 32x plus, here I am sending this 360 to this side. It will become minus 360, no? Minus 360 equals to 0. Now solve this. X square plus 32x minus 360 minus 87. How much more? 10. 10 minus 7? 3. Here 5. 5 minus 8, it will not go. Again 15. 15 minus 8? 7. Here again 2. 273 equals to 0. That's all. Here mention since x equals to Rohan's age. Did you understand, ma? Very easy problems, no? Nothing is there, no? First Rohan's age is x. Her mother age become x plus 26. Here after 3 years their product is 360. So adding of 3 plus 3 to both. Product is 360 they have given in the question. By solving it we got the quadratic equation. That's all. See the next problem. What is the question, ma? See here. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. See here. Distance. What they have given? Distance equals to how much, ma? 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. I don't know the speed of the train, no? I am taking the speed of a train bx. We know the formula. From before chapter onwards, same formula I am taking. Time equals to distance by speed. T equals to distance. What is the distance? 480. By speed what I have taken? X. Let it be equation 1. See the next case. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, means in the next case distance is same only 480 kilometers, but the speed has decreased by how much, ma? 8 kilometers per hour less. Less means what? Minus x minus 8. Already we have taken x. Now the 8 kilometers per hour less speed has reduced, so x minus 8. Then it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Means the time has been increased by same. Time equals to distance by speed. Distance is same 480 by speed is x minus 8. Now how much is the time taken, ma? 3 hours more. Means more means plus. 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So same distance he has taken 3 hours more. So we have to add it. We need to find the speed of the train. Now solve those equations. This is the equation 1 time. This is also equation to time. Both are time only, no? Can we equate this? Therefore, 480 by x equals to 480 by x minus 8 plus 3. Solve this. How will you get, ma? Shall I take LCM first? Take LCM, ma. To solve it will become easy, no? 480 by x equals to, take LCM, x minus 8, 480 plus 3 into x minus 8. You know, no, here nothing is there, means 1. 1 into something means this will be multiplied here. LCM, mom, don't get confused. Again, see here, 480 by x equals to 480 plus 3 into x, 3x minus 8 3s are 24 by x minus 8 equals to, symbol is there, no? So cross multiply this, x into 480 plus 3x minus 24 equals to 480 into x minus 8. Now solve this, ma. Here see 480 minus 24. 480 minus 24. 10 minus 4, 6. 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 4. 456. 456 x plus x, 3x into x, 3x square. The addition of this is 456. Okay, don't get confused. 456 into x, 456x. 3x into x, 3x square equals to, again, 480 into x, 480x minus 480 into 8. 480 into 8. Multiply it. 8 8s are 64. 8 3 is 24. 8 4s are 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 3840. You want a quadratic equation, no? Send through this side. First write this, 3x square. 480x I am sending to this side. Minus 480x plus 456x, no? 456x minus 3840 becomes plus 3840. That equals to 0. Now solve this, ma. 3x square. 456 plus 456 minus 480. Minus 480, 456. 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 24. Minus 24x plus 3840 equals to 0. That's all. Our problem is completed. 4a. Here if you want take 3 as a common, what it will become? X square. 8 3s are 20x plus 3840 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 8 24. 3 8s are 24. 0. 1280 equals to 0. Therefore, I am sending 3 to that side. What it will do? Divide. 0 by anything? 0. X square minus 8x plus 1280 equals to 0. Since here write again, x equals to speed of a train. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy problem, no? See here what I have taken. They have given distance as 480 kilometers. Speed we don't know. I have taken it as x. So time equals to distance by speed, 480 by x. That is one equation. Now the speed has been reduced by 8 kilometers per hour. So 480 by x minus 8. But the time taken is 3 hours more. So adding of 3 hours. This is both time equations, no? By equating it. Just solved it. Here I have taken LCM. Again cross multiplication. Just multiplication. For seeing it is big. That's all. But I have done step by step. No need to do step by step. If you want, you can do directly. I have multiplied it, cross multiplied it, and multiplied again and solve it. And again here 3 is again I have taken common. 0, if I send this 3 to this side, it will divide. 0 by 3 equals to 0. Therefore, our required equation is x square minus 8x plus 1280 equals to 0. That's all. Our exercise 5.1 is completed. From the next video, we will go to exercise 5.2. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.